What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today I just want to do a real easy video, just a video for more people to enter into the giveaway. I'm going to be making these steaks right here. We got two nice thick ribeyes. They're about at least, they're definitely over an inch thick. They're a little over a pound each. And yeah, got some real good compound butter that we're going to put on top of those. I'm having some baked potatoes with these, but doing them in the house, in the oven and all that good stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a real easy video. I love doing steaks like this on the griddle because, man, that compound butter, once that starts melting all over the meat, and deliciousness. So let's go ahead and get that started, and then we'll get into the giveaway and all that stuff. And yeah, all right, so we got some oil down right here. I got off. I'm only using the middle two burners today. The other two are off. I got these on a medium heat right now, and we are up to about 355. So yeah, let's get these things on here. Now, these have been sitting out for probably 40 minutes or so. Want to get them room temperature, and I just got them coated with salt on both sides. So yeah, they're ready to throw on. Oh baby. Ooh. That's a big one. This is a big one right here. Ooh. Man. Can't wait. Now, we're just going to let these sit for 3 minutes on each side. I'm going to start a timer. And yeah, we're going to give them a flip, see how they look. I think 3 minutes on each side, roughly. Maybe this big one might need a little more, but this one should be good. So yeah, we'll bring it right back. So I did put a cover on this because these things are pretty big, and I just am not sure how well they're going to cook in this short amount of time. So it's been 4 minutes. I did change that as well. Boom. Ooh, baby. Look at that. Oh, man. All right, so we gave them a flip. Now I'm gonna put a little oil, just so the oil runs down into them, keeps that fry going good. Cover these back up, and then before I flip them, or before, I don't know what they're gonna look like, but we're gonna throw some of this compound butter on. Ooh, man, get it going. So, the giveaway. I'm gonna have everything in the description. We are giving a griddle away. I'm thinking possibly a 28-inch. But I'm not sure. Last time we did it, they weren't in stock, and it took a little bit for Steven to get his griddle. But we ended up getting it to him. Everything was good. You got to be in the lower 48 states. Can't afford to be shipping, all over the place. But just like the video, be a subscriber, leave a comment below, send me an email or something. Wait for me to contact you. And yeah, that's all you got to do. Simple as that. And then yeah, we're just gonna let these go for a couple more minutes, and then time to go. All right, so it's been about 4.5 minutes this time. Ooh, man, them are looking good. I like how the fat gets that nice sear on there. So let's go ahead, give this a flip. Oh, baby, look at you. All right, move these over a little bit. All right, let's put some butter on these. All right, so the butter's on here. Now this butter, what I do, I get 1 stick of unsalted butter. I room temperature, so it's nice and soft, easy to mix. And then I add salt and pepper. I'm not even going to tell you how much I do because I just eyeball it and just do it to your taste. Then I add some, man, what is it? Losing it, always do. I know there's garlic powder, or I'm sorry, garlic and onion powder. I put a little chipotle, chili pepper, some smoked paprika, all that good stuff, and I got everything in the description below. But yeah, that's simple as that. So I'm just gonna cover this up, let them things finish cooking. They're at about 120 degrees right now, so real close. And then, time to eat. All right, so I got my griddle all turned off now. So let's just dish these things up, go to town. The other ingredient that I couldn't think of was thyme. That was the last ingredient. Baby, that thing is juicy. All that garlic sitting there on top. This is about to be good. All right, let's cut her up. All right, so that's all you got right there. Super easy to do. I think it took like 10 minutes. We did like 4.5 and then 5 minutes. So yeah, I mean, nice and pink in the middle. That is delicious. So juicy. Man. Ooh. I'm about to get in and get my eat on, y'all. The giveaway. Just send me an email, put something in the description or in the comments. Just let me know you want to get in. And yeah, that's all you got to do. And I'll be picking a winner next Saturday or Sunday. Whenever I post my next video, that's when I'm going to do the winner. But I think I'm going to do something with Thanksgiving leftovers for my next video as well, so it might be Saturday or Sunday, I'm not sure. But yeah, appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.